Hi, I'm here harvesting some taro corums so that way I could propagate them into our new garden. Taro goes by many names. In Hawaii it's called Kalo. In the Caribbean it goes by even more names, which are Dasheen, Coco, Malanga, and Yautia. So this variety in particular is the Calocacia, which is native to the South Pacific and Southeast Asia area. So it's pretty easy to harvest and very easy to propagate. You could just dig one of them out like this. The part that you eat is the root corum here. You could also eat the leaf or the shoots as well. And propagating it is really quite easy. You just cut off the top growing piece like this, and then you've got the edible corum and the oha, as they call it in Hawaii, which is a shoot. And you just plant like this. The way that you propagate the xanthosoma variety of taro, which is the American elephant ear taro, is through the underground little corums that have not yet developed an oha or a shoot. When you harvest the plant, you dig it up and you find all the little ones that haven't yet developed leaves or anything. Cool, now that I've harvested a couple, I will plant them into the ground and you'll see how that's done as well. Once you've got your Kalo starts harvested, you want to just clean them up. Just take off some of the excess leaves, and then you could even leave one leaf if you want. It's not super important either way. And you just make a nice hole into one of your garden beds that you've prepared, and you just pop the start into the ground, and there you go. It'll start to grow, and then in a few, maybe at least 6 months to a year or something like that, you'll have the corum starting to grow. But well before that, you'll have leaves growing that you could harvest and eat off of.